guess what? It is time for the spring edition of FabFitFun. I love getting these boxes. Now, I partnered with FabFitFun. They ask me all the time to see if I want to share with you guys stuff that you can get. And I always say yes because I love trying out new things that I never thought I was going to try it. FabFitFun, if you guys don't know, it is a quarterly box where you get it 4 times a year. What you guys do is you guys can get your first box for $49.99. But I do have a code that you guys can use. It's JW Spring, like spring is the season. You guys can get $10 off. So you guys can get everything in this box for 40 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. Now, what they do is you guys choose the certain items that you want. Now, usually if you guys are a subscriber, you get to choose certain items that you want. I think if you're new, you don't always get 100% to choose, but you do get to choose some items. The stuff in these boxes, I don't get to choose, so everything that you guys see is my own opinion, you know. They just send me whatever, but for you guys get to kind of choose some of the items. They also have spring add-on, or they also have add-on items at certain times of the year where you guys can get more stuff in your box. But I'm ready to dig in. I'm ready to dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, I will have the link below where you guys can join it for that. But let's just dig in. So here it says FabFitFun Spring 2019. I love getting these boxes. They always give you a little catalog, or not a catalog, like a little magazine that has some information in here. They have some stuff. I don't know if this is everything that's in the box. I like to be surprised. But just a little things here and there, you know, that. Sometimes they give you coupons, like here's a $50 off of HelloFresh. I have a better deal that I have with my referral link that I do my videos for. But inside, they got some goodies in here, so let's just dig in and you guys can see. Now, this is everything you guys can get here between 40 to 50 bucks depending on if you use my promo code or not. But I am super excited to share with you guys what I got. Okay, so we got a jump rope, 11 by Venus jump rope. I love jump roping. Right now I can't really jump rope. I could, but I can't. But after I have the baby, if I can handle it, you know, so sometimes people can't handle it, I'm gonna go jump roping. So this actually looks like a pretty good one. I love the foam handles. It's got a nice little jump rope to it. I am super excited for jump roping, you guys. I love to jump rope. I have been wanting to jump rope, and every jump rope that I get is like cheap as heck. So love it. And I don't know the prices for these, but I love it. You guys have no idea. I've been wanting one of these cups like crazy. Now, these are the Sip by Swell. It's an insulated drink to keep your drinks hot or cold. I drink one all the time for work, but I've been wanting one of these forever. These are like 10, 20 bucks, I think, at Target. I think they're like $11.99 or something like that. But these have a bunch of whales on it. This is awesome. It doesn't say what the price is, but this is a 15 ounce. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. I've been wanting one of these right here. I don't know why I smelled inside the bottle, but you get some, you know, you get some pretty good, decent, and I hope it seals pretty well. It feels like it seals pretty well, but this is awesome. I've been wanting one of these forever, and this stuff really keeps your drinks cold. I don't even know what this is. It says, my girl. Talk about my girl. So inside, it looks like it's maybe a pair of glasses. So you got one of those little glass cases. Oh, you guys, sunglasses! I want to say so far this is the best box I've ever gotten. I've gotten a couple of these boxes from these guys before, but this by far is the best box so far that I love. Now, these are sunglasses. They have like a little grippy thing to them. You guys can see my ring light. Look at that. I like them. I like the way they fit. I like the way they look. Awesome! Look at that! These are by Be Sunny, Stay Shady, Quay, Australia. I still have the plastic thing on here, but these are awesome. I needed a new pair of sunglasses for my car. Look at that. That is awesome, you guys. I know, you're like, just stop. But that's cool. So far, the first 3 items that I opened, I absolutely love it. I always get lotions and stuff, which is fine, but it's like, I like using that kind of stuff, too. Here we got some bubble paper. I know you guys really enjoy that, so got that going on. Here we have Lavito inspired by nature. This is aromatic, I can't pronounce it, body lotion, mandarin orange and bergamot. So it's some nice lotion. It's sealed, but I can smell it, but it's got a good decent smell to it. So it's just like a regular lotion. Massage over clean, damp skin until absorbed. So there we got that. Here we got Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Now I always have like weird things going on with my eyes. Like I put a lot of makeup right under my eyes. It might not look like it, but I do. But this is a depuffing eye gel. I will need this after I have my baby, because I will be tired. I will be tired. So inside we got a nice good sample of the gel. So I'm pretty excited to try that actually. I don't get puffy eyes, but I get some kind of weird eyes. The next sample oh, I thought the box was going to fall over. The next sample we have is OE Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. So this is a spray. It's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth and soften your detangled hair. Now, my hair gets in knots all the time. Like, I actually should try this. What I should do is, like, you know, have my hair straightened and then put this in my hair and see what it does. But my hair gets in so much knots, it's ridiculous. I have thick, curly, wavy hair, so I hate the knots. It doesn't bother me. I'm so used to it, but this would be perfect to use for knots. The next thing we got is a jar. Let's see what this is. Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It's detoxify, exfoliate, hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced, moistured skin. Right now is the perfect time to do that because my skin is super dry. This is sealed. I don't want to open it yet, but you can you can see it. It's like got the black sand in here, so you guys can't really see it, but it is like that black sand. So that is cool, and this is like a full size, so that is awesome. And then it looks like I just got one more item left in here, and this is why unplug meditation. It looks like it's an aromatherapy thing. It's a meditation. It's an app. Check out the Unplug Guided Meditation app. Enjoy access to our world-renowned teachers and explore our curated collection of meditation videos so you can build a practice of love. So I don't even know what this is. Okay, so this is an essential oil thing, but there's an app where you guys can like relax with it. It probably plays music and stuff, but it says you only get like a 30-day, and then you got to pay for it. So yeah, but so inside you got instructions. You got a cord, which it looks like you can plug it in to your computer, or if you have one of the USB cords. But here we have just a simple little thing. I gotta like put this together, but basically I think you just pour your aromatherapy in here. It says drain on the side. You just pour it right in there, and then you just, why is there pictures of shirts on here? I don't know. Let's see. I'd have to read the directions how to use this thing, but it looks like you just pour stuff in there, put your cover on, and it looks like an egg. And then there is an off and on button, and then it lights up. So that's kind of cool. I don't have a USB cord to plug this in. I don't know if this is just to pour it. Why? I don't know why it's being so difficult. But anyways, that's what that is. And then the scent that they give you is, and I'm very sensitive to some oils, It's a citrus, like an orange citrus, which I think that'll be a nice relaxing smell. So that looks awesome. So that was everything that I got inside my box. It wasn't very much, but they do give you up to I'm like, there's a bright light. They do give you up to $200 worth of stuff. So I don't know how much the aromatherapy thing is. This probably cost maybe about 20 bucks, maybe. I want to say this costs probably about 20 bucks. So, because it's a nice heavy thing for that. We got the leave-in conditioner. This is probably 10-15 bucks. We got the Dr. Brandt eye puffing gel. I don't know how much this costs. It's probably like 10-15 bucks. The lotion, again, some of the stuff they send you is like really high-end stuff, so probably like 10 bucks. The sip, I want to say this is about $20, and I'm so excited for this. This is my favorite thing. I've been wanting one of these like crazy. I like the little metal bottles, especially with me. Just needed to take water everywhere I go. Super cool glasses. I bet you these are probably going for like $50. I wish they would show what the prices were, and I don't know if they have it in this book, but we're gonna take a look. Sunglasses. So it looks like you can either get sunglasses, a necklace, or a backpack, or maybe a dress. Maybe. You guys can choose. The sip, they have the exfoliate, the lotion, they have a detox brush. They don't have the prices for any of this stuff, but they do show you like everything that you could get in these boxes. But why? Why? And then we got the cool jump rope. So if you guys are really interested in getting this box and getting these items, definitely sign up. Like I said, use JW Spring to get $10 off your guys' first box, which would be this box. If you guys sign up, these do sell out fast, so I say get it if you can, or just get it to try it out. You guys can always cancel it. I will have the link below so you guys can enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome spring like I will. Thanks again. Bye-bye.